Take a look at this Chevy. 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne two-door sedan. It's kind of got that sleeper drag look to it. Now you're going to see some markings on here. 427 on the fender. It is actually a 454 big block underneath the hood. Also nicely equipped underneath there. Power steering, power brakes. Take a look at this front grille. Chrome headlight surrounds. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, interior, undersides, take your time looking through the still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726, writing on Krager SS wheels, and then take a look down the length of this passenger side. And remember, black cars, they will show poor body work, poor paint. This one's got a nice look to it, folks. Has had a repaint to black when it was restored. Interior still in the original color of red with the cloth and vinyl combination. As you can see, that 454 paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome bumper. In the still pictures, make sure you take a good look at the trunk, finished off very nicely in there. And once again, you can check out the still pictures, see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Sorry about the noise in the background. Moving another one around in the detail area. We're going to fire this up here in just a bit so you can hear this one run too. Now take a look up and down the driver's side. Nice and straight also, and you can see that black paint has a nice shine to it. Nice reflection coming off of there. Again, shows well. It's black. It's been driven. You may be able to see an imperfection here or two, a light scratch, what have you, but overall, this car does show well. Fun one to take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Door panels, nice shape. And again, the red interior cloth vinyl blend. Free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner, also in nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this one up so you can hear it run. Of course, like I said, you kind of got that sleeper drag look, so there's your tack and shift light. Radio delete, no clock, none of that face look. Wipers do work, blower fan works, and there's an aftermarket set of gauges for monitoring the engine vitals. Take a look at the dash, that's in good shape. We're going to let this warm up just a tad here. You see the tack works. Alright. Should idle force just fine now. Listen to that. That'll turn some heads. The way it looks and the way it sounds, wow. Again, 454 paired up with that 4-speed manual transmission. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pause this just 1 second and we'll pop this hood, check out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, hood open. Nice and clean and tidy on the underside of the hood, and look at this engine bay. Headers, like we have a pedal drop. Performer RPM intake, 4-barrel carb. Again, power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition. What a great looking engine bay. Don't be afraid to open the hood on this one at any of your local shows. Roll-ins, cruise-ins. Looking good underneath there and sounding even better. 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne two-door sedan. Got that sleeper look to it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.